we have le verbe habiter and we have le verbe vivre. Both of these verbs have something in common. In English, it's the verb to live. Where you live as where you stay. So, verbe habiter, it's more addressed to the address of your house, where you are at the moment, the address of the house. But vivre is where your lifetime is. Okay? Talking about your path during this life, talking about where you spend most of your times. But habiter, it's only for addresses. Now, le verbe habiter, you say j'habite, tu habites, il habite, elle habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, ils habitent, elles habitent. J'habite, tu habites, il habite, elle habite, nous habitons, vous habitez, ils habitent, elles habitent. Okay? So, for example, j'habite à Banjara. It means I live in Banjara. Tu habites à Medipatnam. Il ou elle habite en France. Nous habitons au Canada. Vous habitez en Inde. Ils habitent, elles habitent en Chine. Now, au Canada, in Canada, en Inde, in India, and en Chine, in China. But this is more for addresses. But we have the verb vivre. This is for the lifetime. Je vis en Europe. Tu vis en Espagne. Il ou elle vit aux États-Unis. Nous vivons à Hyderabad. Vous vivez à Bangalore. Ils vivent, elles vivent en Suède. Okay? So, je vis, tu vis, il vit, elle vit, nous vivons, vous vivez, ils vivent, elles vivent. You don't read ENT. Ils habitent, elles habitent. Ils vivent, elles vivent. The difference is this is for address, but this is for a lifetime. Okay? All right.